Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the download location in Google Chrome step by step. Changing the download location allows you to choose where Chrome saves files, making it easier to organize your downloads. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down and click Downloads in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, you can use the search bar at the top of the Settings page and search for Downloads. Under the Downloads section, you'll see your current download location. Click the Change button next to the current folder path. A file browser window will open. Browse to the folder where you want Chrome to save downloaded files. You can select an existing folder or create a new one. Once you've chosen the folder, click Select Folder. Chrome will now use this location for all future downloads. If you'd rather choose a save location every time you download a file, turn on the option labeled Ask Where to Save Each File Before Downloading. With this option enabled, Chrome will prompt you to choose a location whenever you download something. Your changes are saved automatically, so you can close the Settings tab once you're done. And that's it. You've successfully changed the download location in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.